In this video, I'm going to show you on some ways you can do to create a vertical text in Canva. So let's start with this simple text box. The easiest way to make this text box to be vertical is simply by making the whole text box to be a lot thinner. For example, I have this simple text box, and if I click and drag this element, or you can also click on drag of this element that is on the left side, it's totally up to you. And you'll see that now Canva will automatically notice that the text box is a lot thinner, and therefore it will adjust the position of each letter accordingly. Now you have to do it properly in order to make all the letters to be occupying one line. So this is, for example, is not yet done. This is something that we need to correct. And there you go. So we have this simple vertical text. Now another method you can try is a bit more complicated. Actually not complicated, it is more like you need more time to get it done, but I think it will be useful in some cases. Again, the process, or at least the idea, is still the same. We want to let one letter to occupy just a single line. So I'm going to press and hold the shift key on the keyboard and then press enter, and I'll do the same for this letter, this letter, this letter, this letter, etc., until everything now occupying one single line. And the last method is not my favorite, but it is something that you definitely can do. So you can basically just add a new letter one by one. Basically, one text box will occupy one letter, and then you can add yet another text box, and this is going to be occupying one letter again, and then you have to arrange it together until you get a letter or a word that is arranged vertically. So this is quite cumbersome, but maybe useful in some cases where you want to modify an individual letter. So anyway, that's how you can create a vertical text in Canva. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.